Welcome to Make, Do and Grow and the Toy Library. We are a colourful and vibrant children's community organisation based in Donegal, Glasgow. Every day there's loads going on behind the scenes. Let's take a look.
Before the doors open, everything is getting ready.
The kettle's on, the shop is set, shelves are organised, and new items are sorted and priced so they're ready for families to find. There are clothes, toys, books and all kinds of treasures looking for a new home. Giving things a second life is a really important part of what happens here. Quality is key. We aim to create a space where children want to visit and parents and carers can pause without pressure. We are often told we are their children's favourite shop. Behind the scenes, the Toy Library team are super busy too. With over 2,000 toys in the lending system, there is a great selection of toys, games and consoles for all ages to choose from. Toys are checked, cleaned, packed up and labelled, ready for families and children to play with and enjoy. Then it's time for order collections. Families pop in, pick up their bags and head off with exciting toys to play with at home.
Throughout the day, donations keep arriving. Everything is carefully weighed, sorted, checked and organised so as much as possible can be reused instead of wasted. Working with partner organisations and local health visitors, referral packages are made up for families in need of a little help. For collectibles, designer and vintage toys, they are listed on eBay and Vinted, helping to raise money to keep our space going and support local families and children who need free access to our services and play bundles. There are daily trips to storage, where even more supplies, board games and larger toy library items are kept. This is also great store base for days when volunteers come to help. It takes some effort to keep it all in order. And it's not just Govan that benefits from the Toy Library. Items are packed into the van and delivered to partner organisations, helping support communities across the city.
When it's time to get creative at the after-school free art clubs, whether we're drawing, building, crafting or creating something completely new, there's always room for imagination.
And then everything is cleared down again, ready for the creative leaders.
We get to develop our own style and creative skills, visit exhibitions and even design and run sessions for the younger groups.
By the end of the day, a lot has happened and been achieved. Families have connected, friendships have been made, toys and clothes have found new homes, children have played. Creativity has been shared, spirits have been lifted, and waste has been reduced. And tomorrow, we'll do it all again.
Make, do and grow, creating, reusing, learning and growing together.